dust on the floor. You touched the chaos and made it feel like more. Old wall, new glow, fresh paint, soft line. Every little corner started feeling mine. You move slow, you move right. Measure out the light, turn the heavy into clean. Make it look so easy. MX Interior, you make it shine. MX Interior, you change my mind. Hard work in every line. MX Interior, you make it shine, shine. That worn out chair got a second life. The shelf got dressed up and the room felt right. Even the hallway got a better face. You bring the calm in, then you set the pace. You move slow, you move right. Measure out the light, turn the heavy into clean. Make it look so easy. MX Interior, you make it shine. MX Interior, you change my mind. Hard work in every line. MX Interior, you make it shine, shine. Bare to bold, from rough to refined. You build a feeling, one detail at a time. Hands full, heart full, still you never miss. Now my home says something like this. MX Interior.
Dùng măng chia xiêm xung xung chu. Nộ màm vel lúc bị ngay đồ nó khanin helai mi marble sit si khanimo kan puti te kan ta kilna te kan thupa khanin ta hian ton ta ni hitar mo ni nia kan zowa hemi ina kan perek man to zong hi singkhat sanga perek singkhat sanga vel kan mang to ni mang nam ve to khop mai chuan hei hi molding hi ka kit lawa charin politic singkhat char top ani perek singkhat sanga vel kan mang to a khanin naktu ka chuan thotana chuan in chunglama TV unit tiang deuh hi an siam lenga chuan closet minang khi ta in chunga cho han ei khom vel na tur kitchen cabinet lian bok lo kan la siam lenga chuan landing a khianin chuar le console table kan siam anga chuan kan so don ani hei hi ni ala bal khop maya asiam ngau chuni hiya hei kan sawa lomam le igal ka seita kan la ti le don ani